Perfect.
Evening, sir. Can I help you?
Good. How are you? No, I want to get a complaint form. Yeah, I want to get a complaint form because, you know.
There's no recording in a police facility,
But I'm in a lobby right here. This is a lobby.
See the sign right there?
You're going to arrest me if I don't leave.
Correct, for criminal trespass. Yes, I already said that.
You're violating my First Amendment.
While recording, you will be placed under arrest.
So back up and I'll walk inside.
No, I don't have to back up.
I'm going to do it. Because I'm going to challenge you to this. Because you know this is not a law.
Okay.
So, but I'm saying, let me walk in so I can get arrested. You move out the way, I'm going to challenge you to this arrest.
I'm going to stay, man.
Is it private?
It's a police facility.
Is it private?
It's a police facility.
Is it public or private? What is it?
Police facility.
I get that. I heard you 4 times. I heard you. Is it private or public? Which one is it?
Facility, sir.
Wow. You're definitely, you were definitely dropped on your head, dude. Wow, this guy, you're a funny guy, man. Oh, get your hands off. Get your hands off me. You're assaulting me now. I'm going to be under arrest? No, that's a summons. No, you're not putting me under arrest right now. You know, see, I'm not anti-cop. No, I like to see some new ones. Some nice ones too, new ones. But they're standing outside, man. I'm not gonna be able to walk up in there. I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. 75th, right? Yeah, perfect.
Evening, sir. Can I help you?
Good, how are you? No, I want to get a complaint form. Come in with me? Thanks. Yeah. What's up? I want to get a complaint form.
Are you recording inside
The
a police
camera's
facility?
on too. Yeah, I want to get a complaint form because, you know.
There's no recording in a police facility.
What's up, everybody? This one is coming to us from Brooklyn Audit in New York, out of the 75th Police Precinct. Now, these cops are trying to tell this man that he cannot record inside of the lobby of a police department. I mean, we've been doing this for a long time. It's like New York is just waking up into the, 21st century today or something.
I'm in a lobby right here. This is a lobby.
See the sign right there?
That sign don't mean shit to me, though.
public-
That sign don't mean shit. That's not policy.
facility.
That's policy. That's not law. But I need a complaint
Okay,
form.
so if you're going to remain recording in here, we're going to have to ask you to leave.
And what if I don't leave? Why?
You're going to be placed under arrest for trespass.
Trespassing in a public lobby?
It's not a public lobby. It's a
This is
police
public.
facility.
But this is public. It's
Very
NYPD.
clear, simple instructions.
Are you serious?
I'm being very serious.
So can I get your business card too? Since you want to threaten to arrest me?
Well, it's not a threat. I'm just letting you know.
You're giving me, is it a threat of arrest? If I don't leave, it's a threat of arrest then, right?
So please exit the facility if you're going to continue to record, sir.
Wow, but this is a public
Continue to
building.
record?
This
or
is
you're
a
gonna
public building, so you're gonna arrest me if I don't leave.
Correct, for criminal trespass. Yes, I already said that.
Criminal trespass.
Yes.
You guys are ridiculous, man. You know you're hiring, you know that?
Probably.
You
But
are.
want the
You
complaint
are.
form or
Yeah, I
not?
want that complaint form.
All right,
Hell
just like-
yeah.
You're going to continue to record? Just wait outside.
I'm gonna continue to record. Definitely, I
That's
am.
fine. Just you have to wait outside then. All the
This
way
is
out.
ridiculous. You see this
All the way
shit?
out, and I'll bring the form out for you.
You know I'm gonna forward request that and you're gonna get a complaint too. Because you know you're violating my rights right now. You know that,
it's all
right?
right.
Yes,
Just
you
go
are.
sit there, I'll give you the form.
Don't touch
I'm
me.
not touching you. Go
Trust
all the
me,
way
you're
out,
not gonna touch me,
and
bro.
We're going to
Trust
get
me.
the form for you, and you can fill it out.
Wow, you're all gonna
It's
charge me?
not
Why
recorded,
you
it's
all
gotta be
charging me?
outside.
Why you
It's gotta
all
be
charging me?
outside
I
if
want
you
your
wanna
business card too. You're coming up to me. I'm gonna forward request that
Do you
too.
want the form, yes or no?
I definitely want the
All right,
form
just step
now.
outside all the way, please.
But why you gotta fuck violate my rights? For what? No, you're good, bro. I'm sorry. I'm not blocking you.
Outside, right? Can you talk about?
I'm in this
Outside.
lobby. This is a lobby. Why
Outside.
are
Thank
you
you
why are
very
you
much.
pushing me back
I
though?
didn't even
Don't.
touch you.
But you're like
This is your
walking up in me
civilian
like
complaint
very
form.
violent. Don't do that.
Here, would you like to fill it out at home and mail it in?
No, I'm gonna fill it out and yeah, I like to fill it out in here, right
Hey, you just
there.
have to stop recording if you're going to enter.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm doing it for my own
Well,
protection. But
that's
you're
it.
recording for your own
Of
protection,
course,
right?
yes, I'm actually required to record.
Can I get your business card? Cause you're. No, you have a business card. Cause you're putting that body camera on. Why you guys violating my rights? I'm a journalist. I'm allowed to record in there.
You can bring it into any police facility in the entire
I know.
city.
Yeah, I know.
anyone.
I know the rule already.
You can
But
call it in, fax it in, email it in.
Thank
whatever
you.
you'd like to do, all right?
but
If you
why
enter the facility, you can't record.
why are you following a bullshit ass policy? That's
Well, I
not
enforce the
law.
laws, and that's
You
one of
enforce
them.
it?
Correct.
That's not a law though.
Yes, it is.
What's the law?
I don't know off the top of my head.
You don't know the law off the top of your
You
head?
know what it is off the top of your head?
I know.
What is it?
There's no law. That's the thing.
Oh, is it?
There's no law.
Okay,
No,
so
that's
we can argue
policy.
this.
That's a rule.
So we're blue in the face, but that's what it is.
But
You
what's the
come inside, you
law?
can't record.
But
So
all right,
fill it out,
listen.
fill it out.
You're a
All
law
right?
enforcement, right?
Have a good
What's
night.
the law?
Have a good
Why can't you tell me the law? You tyrant. You can't tell me the law? Shut the up. I'll do whatever I want. I want to know the law first. You got to give me the law. Get your sergeant out here. Or get your lieutenant. No, I want your lieutenant. Seriously, you're violating my rights. You're violating my rights.
What, the right to keep the door open?
No, you're violating my rights about recording in the lobby. That's a lobby. Back there is locked off. I can't go back there. You know that.
Go back there, but you're also not allowed to record.
So I can stand at this door and zoom in and out, though. That's okay?
Now, I want you to keep something in mind while you're watching this. New York is one of a handful of states that has abolished qualified immunity, and I don't know how this cop plans to, work all this out in court.
What I told you to do.
But I could do that, though, right?
I didn't say what you can or cannot do.
But I'm doing that, and that's okay, though. But do you get the concept, what I'm trying to say, though? I can't go in there, right? Like where he's standing. But if I stand here, I could zoom in, but that's okay.
That is the sidewalk.
But I can still see what's going on in there.
That's not what I said.
I know what you said.
Inside versus outside. That's all.
But I can still record from outside
I
inside.
didn't say what you can or cannot record other than the fact
But what's
that
the
you cannot
difference if
record
I was to
while
go in there and fill out my form
I'm saying
inside?
You cannot record while inside the police facility.
Yes, I can. You know I can. You still didn't give me the law. Can you give me the
I don't have
law?
to recite the law to you off the top of my head.
So go find it. I'll wait. Yes, you do. Because you threatened to arrest me. Yes, you did. You
No, I
threatened
didn't
to.
arrest
You threatened to arrest me for criminal trespass.
Certainly have consequences. That's what I told
You threatened to arrest me for criminal trespass. Yes, you did.
Criminal trespass.
Yes, you did. Yes, you threatened to.
It
Yes.
wasn't a threat. And your actions, if you continue to do them, would have had consequences.
Would have had consequences of what?
Being
To arrest
arrested.
me for
Correct.
criminal trespass.
Correct. But then you
So,
chose to stop doing those actions.
so how about you arrest me
Go
then?
inside.
Because I'm gonna go
You
inside and I'm gonna.
place under arrest. It's that simple.
Really? And then you're gonna get sued for that because
You
you're
step
violating my
outside the
First
building
Amendment.
While recording, you will be placed under arrest.
So back up and I'll walk inside.
No, I don't have to back up.
Back up. I'm gonna walk inside and film. I'm gonna get arrested tonight. I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna challenge you to this because you know this is not a law.
Okay.
You know it's not a law. You
Back
can't give me the
inside,
penal
you will be
code.
placed under arrest.
So get your sergeant and your captain. I want to talk to the lieutenant because I want to know. Because I was at the 90th precinct, I was actually able to sit down in the seat and fill out a complaint form at the 90th. And he admit on camera that it's not law.
Again, while recording, you will be placed under arrest.
So move out the way and I'm going to
No,
get
I have to
arrested.
move out of the way. I work here, so we're gonna stand right here.
So, but I'm saying, let me walk in so I can get arrested. I want to get arrested.
You come in on this door.
But
man.
we're in
Come on
public.
this side.
Just let them know we're in public. We're allowed to do this. But if you move out the way, I'm willing to challenge you. I'm willing to get arrested. Why?
Because I don't think that's
You
necessary.
threatened to arrest me though for criminal
I don't know
trespass.
Your actions subsequently will have consequences.
So if you move out the way, I'm going to challenge you to this arrest.
I'm gonna stay right here.
So
I
what?
work here.
But I can't walk past you then, because then that's assaulting a peace officer. I'm not stupid. You're beating me.
I'm not beating you.
All right. So can I walk through that door and go in then?
I'm gonna tell you, you're placed under arrest. You can't record coming in.
Bro, it's not a
Cross
law.
the threshold,
Are you a
placed
sergeant?
under arrest.
You're not a sergeant. Is there a sergeant here? Can I talk to?
Or would you like to speak to a supervisor?
I'd like to definitely speak to a supervisor.
For what reason?
Because you're violating my rights. I'm allowed to film in there for my protection. Yes, I am. You still can't tell me the penal code. You gave me a what? Wait, say that again? Unlawful?
A lawful order that you cannot come here and record inside the premises.
But what is the crime? What is the crime for that? What is the crime? For criminal trespass. In a public building?
If you come in here,
Do you know what you sound like?
Building police facility.
You guys took an oath to protect my rights. Do you realize that? You sound stupid right now. You
Feel like
protect...
that, I apologize.
Oh my God. You've been on 10 years already. You don't know?
It's actually one strike. It's fine.
One. What is that? Every 5 years? I'm sorry. Oh, I was close. I'm sorry.
man,
Ballpark, yeah. Math is tough. Wow, what are you trying to fucking assault me now?
Come back in.
All right, Tyrant. Okay.
Alrighty?
And you ain't gonna do shit, believe me. I'm challenging you. That's why I move out of my way and I'll walk in
By
there.
the way.
How about you go back inside, get back to work. I'm gonna walk in there.
Outside. So I'm
All right, so go ahead. Go outside. I'm gonna walk past you.
gonna stand right here.
Your post is outside. No, because I want to challenge your shit. You're lying, bro. All right. Don't close the door in my face, man. I'm public, bro. Don't do that. You know, I'm actually, yo, listen. You're gonna violate my rights. You guys don't have qualified immunity. You know that, right? You don't have qualified immunity.
very respectful.
You don't have qualified immunity. You don't have qualified immunity. He's recording me, bro. He's protecting me.
No.
He's protecting
I'm
me.
talking to him. He don't want to put the phone in my
No. He's watching me.
Tell him that.
All right, just watch
Tell him
me.
that.
Just watch me. I got you. But he's on public sidewalk. He's
Okay.
allowed to do that,
Tell
though.
him that.
He's on public, though. He's allowed to do it, too, though. Can you let him know we're on public? He's allowed to do that, too? All right, so if he touches my guy, then what are you going to do? You're going to do something if he touches my guy? All right, good. So let him know that we're allowed to do this out here, too. He ain't going to do shit either, though. We're out here fighting for people's rights, and people get all fucking feelings. But listen, man, I'm a journalist. I'm allowed to record inside there. You're violating my rights. No. There's a difference between that. There's a difference. I'm a journalist. I'm allowed to do this.
You're not a member of the public?
Yes, I am a member of the public. But that's not a... That's a policy. You know that's a policy. So give me the penal code. What's the law? What's... You don't know it. That's why. You don't know it.
So I don't have to tell you.
You don't know it. So you're gonna say that on record that you don't know the law.
Off the top of my head, the exact.
You're a law officer. Can you go find the law? I would like to know. I want to challenge you. I'm gonna stay here all night and do this. Yes, because I'm gonna challenge you to this.
No problem.
So you just witnessed a bunch of supposed men that are not mentally equipped to deal with that kind of situation do the only thing that they are capable of doing, and that's resorting to violent and kidnapping actions. They arrested the guy. Brooklyn Audit. Go subscribe and let them know that Direct D sent you.
Because you know you're full of shit.
The building again while recording. There are consequences for that action. So,
For trespassing inside of a what? What precinct is this? Is this private?
it's a police facility.
Is it private?
It's a police facility.
Is it private?
It's a police
Is
facility.
it public or private? What is
Police
it?
facility.
I get that. I heard you 4 times. I heard you. Is it private or public? Which one is it?
Police facility, sir.
Wow. You were definitely dropped on your head, dude. I'm asking you a question. Public or private? It's a very simple question. Just
It's a
answer.
police facility.
Wow, this guy. You're a funny guy, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen to him. Back to work, bitch. Listen to him. Sarge. Hey, Sarge. I want to know the law, man. I'm asking you the law. I really want to know the law. Can you please tell me the law?
Come here.
No. Get your hands off. Get your hands off me. You're assaulting me now. I'm going to be under arrest. No, that's a summons.
So you would abuse your authority if I exercise my right? Whatever. I don't personally care what you sentence me to. I'm appealing everything today, so it's going to freeze whatever you sentence me to, and we're just going to kick it to a higher court. Because clearly this one is corrupt.
They turning our communities to hot blocks. Yeah, they got Glocks, handcuffs, and badges. They swearing that they hot shots. They want to lock us and throw away the stop. Watch, you know Direct D will show you how to cop. Watch, cop, watch. Record them when a cop stops. And ignore the pig chatter when a cop talks. You don't need a top-notch camera, just a cop watch. You gotta know your rights or you lose them. So we cop, watch.